Today I want to highlight some of the materials and offerings Midpoint Library has to help new or small businesses in our community. Midpoint offers many different types of resources that you can utilize when trying to get a new business off the ground or to help with an established business. A couple of topics that I want to highlight today are Midpoint Library's Makerspace Innovation Point, and I also want to highlight a few of our databases that we have to support you as well. Let's start with Innovation Point. A library makerspace is a do-it-yourself learning center where patrons of any experience level gain practical skills through hands-on learning. Innovation Point, located in Midpoint Library, Westchester, is a public makerspace filled with the tools and technology to help you explore, create, and learn new skills. This space is a perfect place to help build or grow your business, from creating promotional materials to designing new products or business labels. So let's head to midpointlibrary.org and learn a little bit more. So if you head to our homepage, up at the top you'll find our different offerings, and we're going to go over to services and down to Innovation Point. This will be the best place to go to find all of our up-to-date information, what we have to offer, what their current operating hours are, and just listing all of the different machines that we have to offer. A couple of things to know before you get started with the Makerspace though. You do have to go through a process that we call badging, which is a practical learning process like earning a skill merit badge. It's just learning the machine that you're going to be using before you're then allowed to use it on your own in the Makerspace. The two machines that I particularly want to talk about today, the first one is the laser engraver and cutter. So as the title suggests, this machine can engrave on and cut approved materials. Some of the fun things that this can do in regards to promotional material, you can create signs, you can make window displays, you can do branded items, things that maybe you want to put up around your store, or maybe if you do like free giveaways with promotional things. But it can also be used to create the products themselves. If you maybe do engraved cutting boards, etching on glasses, there are a few examples of things that it can do under this Explore option up here in the top. But this is going to let you know everything that the machine can do, what types of materials it can use, and then some general questions or project planning that might help you and support you in what you're doing. And then if we go to the bottom, we'll see a list of all of our other machines that we have. And the second thing I want to point out is our large format vinyl printer. So this printer is capable of full color images on several different large format media. The big things that this thing normally does are signage, so banners for any different types of occasions. It can be used to create decals for walls, and it can also be used as stickers. And you can think of that in the traditional sense of what a sticker does, or it can be used as labels for your business. This is only a very small look into everything that our Makerspace can do, so I highly encourage you to go to their webpage and look for yourself at all of the different machines that we have to offer. But those are the two big ones that can do a lot of creative and fun things for your business. The next thing I want to talk about are research databases. So up at the top, we'll go to e-resources and go to research databases. So the three that I want to highlight are A to Z databases, Regional Business News, and Small Business Reference Center. You'll find all of these listed under the business and investing grouping here, and then they're listed in alphabetical order. So the first one we'll start with is A to Z databases. A to Z Databases is a job search, reference, and mailing list database that includes 30 million business and executive profiles and 240 million resident files. It's ideal for sales leads, mailing lists, market research, employment opportunities, and much more. You can use this as a general kind of white or yellow pages if you're looking for something in particular. But if you're looking for kind of that advanced searching of trying to find people in your area that are most likely going to need the services that you offer, down here under mailing lists, it'll help you get started in all of these different categories. So if you're maybe looking at what type of residents are in the community and how you can best find and support them based on what you have, you'll click here and it'll walk you through kind of how to start your search. Where are you looking? What type of household information are you interested in? And how you want to get maybe mailers out to them. The next database I want to highlight is the Regional Business News. So this incorporates more than 80 regional business publications covering all metropolitan and rural areas within the United States. So if there's any type of book or journal or publication that you're looking for related to business news in our area, this would be your best place to look. And then the final database that I want to highlight here is the Small Business Reference Center. So the user-friendly interface will guide users through small business and entrepreneurial subject areas, common business types, a help and advice section, and it provides information on how to create business plans that lead to successful funding. It includes videos which provide critical information for business owners. It has interviews, lessons learned features, lectures, and how-to videos to help foster success in all aspects of managing a business. And then it also includes a collection of state-specific resources that supports the researcher with demographic data and other local information. So you can see their popular sources they have: business basics, industry information by small business type, business areas, startup kit, and business plans if you're maybe writing a business plan for the first time. But all of these different categories will have many different types of resources to support you in what you're looking for. I hope you found some useful resources with us today, but keep in mind if you ever have any more questions, you can always give us a call or come in person to any one of our branches.